Hey there, welcome back to the channel where we bring you the latest in digital innovations and smart investments. Today, we're talking about a company that's changing the game in the mobile industry, Mode Mobile. Whether you're someone looking to earn extra income or an investor seeking the next big thing, Mode Mobile might just be the opportunity you've been waiting for. So let's dive in. First off, what exactly is Mode Mobile? At its core, Mode Mobile is a revolutionary mobile company that allows users to earn passive income just by using their smartphones. That's right, you can get paid for simply doing the things you already do every day, like listening to music, playing games, checking the news, or even charging your phone. But it's not just a phone, it's a unique earning platform integrated into a fully functional device. Now, what makes Mode Mobile so innovative? Unlike traditional phones, which cost you money, Mode Mobile pays you for your time. The company has redefined the smartphone industry by merging technology and financial empowerment, making it the first mobile company that rewards users for their activity. Mode Mobile offers two key products, the Mode Earn app and the Mode Earn phone, which have already made waves across the globe. Let's talk about the money-making potential. With the Mode Earn app, users can earn points for a wide range of activities such as listening to music, unlocking their screen, charging their phone, playing games, and completing surveys. These points can then be redeemed for cash rewards, gift cards, or even Bitcoin. It's one of the most accessible ways to make passive income on the go. In fact, Mode users can earn over $1,200 annually just by integrating these small tasks into their daily routines. And if you're looking for even more, the Mode Earn phone boosts your earning potential by offering a device designed specifically for maximizing these rewards. The phone itself is affordable and optimizes your ability to earn while you're using it for everyday activities. But wait, there's more. Mode Mobile isn't just for consumers looking to make a few extra bucks. It's also a prime investment opportunity for those who want to get involved in a forward-thinking tech company with global potential. With over 30 million installs across 170 countries, Mode Mobile is showing rapid growth, and the company's future looks incredibly promising. For investors, Mode Mobile offers a unique opportunity to capitalize on the rising demand for mobile earning solutions. With the global gig economy booming, Mode is positioned as a leader in this space, providing millions of users the chance to earn through their mobile devices. And now, they've opened up an investment opportunity that lets you take part in their future success. So, if you're looking for a high-growth tech company that's already gaining serious traction, Mode Mobile could be a fantastic addition to your investment portfolio. To sum it all up, Mode Mobile is more than just a smartphone company. It's an innovative platform that allows everyday people to earn real money while using their mobile devices. And it's an exciting investment opportunity for those looking to get in on the ground floor of a company with serious growth potential. If you're interested in learning more about how Mode Mobile works or how you can start earning today, check out the links below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.